Welcome to Employment and Education News. Cantonment Board empty vacancy for assistant teacher, सफाई कर्मचारी, मेलवाड़ servant. Eligibility 12th with diploma in elementary education for assistant teacher, 4th class passed for सफाई कर्मचारी, 10th class passed for मेलवाड़ servant. Age limit 21 to 30 years as on 6 December. Apply between 13 November to 6 December 2021. 19 टीचर हिंदी 4, इंग्लिश 4, संस्कृत 2, मैथमेटिक्स 2, बायोलॉजी 1, हिस्ट्री 1, जियोग्राफी 1, इकोनॉमिक्स 1, एग्रीकल्चर 1, पॉलिटिकल साइंस 1, कॉमर्स 1. वैकेंसी इन नेतरहाट विद्यालय समिति नेतरहाट. एलिजिबिलिटी ग्रेजुएट ऑनर्स विथ बीईडी, एमएससी और एमकॉम. एज लिमिट मैक्सिमम 40 ईयर्स. लास्ट डेट फॉर एप्लीकेशन 30 नवंबर 2021. एप्लीकेशन फीस 500 फॉर जनरल ओबीसी, 250 for EWS, SC and ST candidates. Indian Oil Corporation Limited vacancy for trade apprentice, technician apprentice. Eligibility ITI diploma. Age limit between 18 to 24 years as on 31 October 2021. Last date for application 4 December 2021. 13 postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Uttarakhand Circle under Sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 22 December 2021. मिश्रा धातु निगम लिमिटेड वैकेंसी फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, मैनेजर, डेप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर. एलिजिबिलिटी ग्रेजुएट विथ एसोसिएट मेंबर ऑफ ICWA CA विथ एक्सपीरियंस. एज लिमिट मैक्सिमम 30 ईयर्स फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, 40 ईयर्स फॉर मैनेजर, 45 ईयर्स फॉर डेप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर. लास्ट डेट फॉर एप्लीकेशन 24 नवंबर 2021. 72 ASI, HC Carpenter, SC Plumber, Constable post vacancy in Directorate General Border Security Force. Eligibility 10th ITI, Diploma in Draftsman or Civil. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 28 December 2021. 73 Deputy Manager, direct recruitment basis from candidates who have appeared for the interview personality test of Indian Engineering Service IES examination civil 2020 conducted by UPSC in National Highway Authority of India. Eligibility degree in civil engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 30 November 2021. Salary H for pay level 10. 16 postal assistant, 13 sorting assistant, 28 postman, 1 mail guard, 37 multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Kerala Circle under sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman, mail guard and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 3 December 2021. 28 scientist C, 5 scientist D post vacancy in NIELT. Eligibility MSc, MS, MCA, BE or BTech, ME or MTech. Age limit maximum 35 years. Last date for application 7 December 2021. Salary H for pay level 11 for scientist C and pay level 12 for scientist D. 102 postal assistant, sorting assistant, 113 postman, mail guard, 41 multitasking staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Maharashtra Circle under sports quota. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Last date for application 27 November 2021. 4 technical assistant, 1 senior assistant post vacancy in Center for Diploma in Advanced Computing. Eligibility graduation, diploma in engineering. Age limit maximum 35 years. Last date for application 12 December 2021. Salary H for pay level 6. Indian Institute of Mandi vacancy for Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar, Technical Officer, Medical Officer, Assistant Engineer Electrical, Physical Training Instructor. Eligibility Bachelor Degree, Diploma in Engineering, BE or BTech, MSc in CSE, IT, EE, EEE, Electronics and Communication or MCA. MBBS, Master Degree, Bachelor or Master Degree in Physical Education. Age limit maximum 50 years for Deputy Registrar, 40 years for Assistant Registrar, Technical Officer and Medical Officer, 35 years for Assistant Engineer and Physical Training Instructor. Last date for application 3 December 2021. Application fees 100. Salary as per pay level L06, L07, L10 and L12. Thanks for watching till the end.